નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 3 of chapter 7 plants, getting to know plants of standard 6th science. In the last part we had discussed about herbs, shrubs and trees, and we have filled the table in which we have seen some trees and plants which are herbs, discussed about some plants which are herbs, shrubs and trees. Now in this part, let's go further. Before that, open your textbook and on the page number 54. Page number 54. Now there is Paheli is there. Paheli wonders what kind of stem the money plant, beanstalk, gourd plants and grapevines have. See, actually we had discussed about herbs, shrubs and trees, but yet we had not discussed about these plants. Which are those? Money plants, beanstalk, gourd plants and grapevines have. Do observe some of these plants. How are these different from a herb, a shrub or a tree? Why do you think some of them need support to climb upward? And that is very right question of Paheli, isn't it? So let's discuss about this type of stems or plants. Now underline what I am reading with your pencil. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground are called creepers. Here also it is there. Plants with weak stems. The stems are very weak and they cannot stand upright. Why? Because their stems are very weak. That is why they cannot stand upright but spread on the ground. It used to spread on the ground are called creepers. कुछ एक प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसके स्टेम है वो वेरी वीक होते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन नॉट स्टैंड अपराइट. तो फिर क्या होता है? दे स्प्रेड ऑन द ग्राउंड. दे स्प्रेड ऑन द ग्राउंड. दोज आर नोन एज क्रीपर्स. लेट मी शो यू. सी, you can see, you know this plant, you know this, actually it used to be like this. See, this is, can you see this? Now can you see which is this plant? This is durva. This is durva and it is one of the creeper. Can you see this is a stem of the durva, isn't it? This is a stem, but if I keep like this, then it will automatically get bent. So the stem of this plant is very weak and that is why it cannot stand upright. It cannot stand upright on the ground. That is why what it will do? It will grow. It will spread on the ground. It will spread, and here you can see. These are the roots. Here you can see the root of this plant. Here also you can see root. Can you see? See, actually it used to grow. Now when it will come over here, once again it will put some roots. Once again it will grow. Okay, and it will grow on the ground. It will spread on the ground and keep its root over on the ground. Okay, so this is one of the creeper. This is a creeper. Durva is what? Creeper. And one more is there. See, this is also a creeper. You can see the stem. See, this is a stem of this plant, na? This is a stem. But if I will see, it cannot stand upright from anywhere. It is not possible to stand upright. So what it will do? it will spread on the ground like this, and that is why it is also a kind of creeper. Now let's see some more plants. While, see here it is, while those that take support and climb up are called climbers. Now some more plants are also there. Their stem are not strong. The stem of these climbers also used to be very weak. But while those that take support and climb up, they take support and climb up are called climbers. Now let's see the climber. Have you ever seen grapevine plant? Grapevine plant? Any gourd plant? Those plants have, see, this is one of the climber. This is one of the climber. In which, can you see this? Can you see this? This is a tendril. This is a tendril. While it come in the contact with a stem of other tree, then what will happen? This tendril, it will keep this tendril something like this. Let me show you here. See, the tendril of this plant, okay, it will do something like that. So that it can take support of that plant. And in the plant of grapevine, in the plant of gourd, you will see this type of tendrils. See, many tendrils are there. Can you see one more tendril? This is one more tendril. Can you see these tendrils? And with the help of this tendril, what it will do? With that take support. It will take support of the stem of the wall and it will climb. In fact, you can see the stem. This is a stem. This is a stem. But this stem is very weak. It cannot stand upright. That is why to go upright, what it will do with the help of this type of tendrils, it will climb on the tree. It will climb on the wall. And that is why these are known as climbers. So we have seen what are creepers and what are climbers. Perhaps there are some plants in your school or at home that you take care of. Write down the name of any 2 trees, shrubs, herbs or creepers growing in your house. See, generally in each and every house, I can say, there used to be money plant. You know money plant? Let me show you. See in this figure 7.5. In this figure 7.5, there is a money plant. This is a money plant, figure 7.5. And this is also a type of climber. And in this one, in this 7.4, it is a melon. It is a melon plant. Generally in Gujarati we used to say teti. Sometimes same type of plants used to be there with watermelon also. So this is a melon plant. Both these stem, the stem of both these plant used to be very weak. But this melon plant is a creeper. This melon plant is a creeper. It used to be on the ground only. But this money plant is a climber. It used to climb the wall, it used to climb the stem, and like that it is a climber, it is a creeper. And some more plants also used to be there at our home. Those are some flower plants, say rose plant, isn't it? Tulsi plant used to be there at our home. Now what you will do? Observe those plants, see their stems, observe around you. You will find, say in the monsoon season, this is a season, so you will find many creepers and climbers also there. You will find many where this durva plant, you will find it is everywhere. So observe those plants so that you can see, you can understand the plants. Okay. So with this, we are ending this part and we will discuss something more about the stem of the plant in the next part. By this time, just you observe the plants and read the textbook carefully. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.